In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to embed Instagram on Wix. If you want to display Instagram content directly on your Wix website, this is a simple method you can follow in just a few minutes. The process involves generating an embed code from your Instagram link and then adding that code inside Wix using its built-in embed feature. I'll walk you through it clearly so it's easy to follow along. To begin, open your browser and search for Popa AI Embed Instagram. Once you see the correct result, click on it to open the tool. This page will help you turn an Instagram post or link into code that can be placed on your website. Before moving on, make sure you already have the Instagram URL you want to use. This should be the exact link to the Instagram content you want to display on your Wix site. Once you're on the tool page, copy the Instagram URL and paste it into the input field provided. After that, click the Generate button. The tool will then create the embed code for your Instagram contents. This code is what allows Wix to display that Instagram post or feed on your site. Make sure the full link is pasted correctly, because even a small mistake in the URL can prevent the embed from working properly. After generating the code, go to your Wix website editor. This is where you'll place the Instagram embed onto the page you want. Inside Wix, click on Add. Then use the search option and type in Embed. From the available results, select Embed Code. This opens the option that lets you insert custom code into your page. Now paste the generated embed code into the code text box. Take a quick moment to check that the code has been pasted completely without any missing characters or extra spaces. Once everything looks correct, click Apply. Wix will then place the embedded Instagram content onto your page. At this point, you can adjust the position of the embed on your page so it fits nicely with the rest of your website layout. If the content does not appear right away, give it a moment to load and double-check that the Instagram link you used is valid and publicly accessible. That's it. Once applied, your Instagram content should now be embedded on your Wix site. This is a great way to make your website feel more dynamic and connected to your social media.